Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Stripe Connect to your bank, complete guide step by step clearly. First, log into your Stripe account using your credentials. Make sure you are on the dashboard after logging in. Locate the Connect tab on the left-hand side menu. Click on the Connect tab to access your connected accounts. Choose the connected account from which you want to withdraw funds. After selecting your account, navigate to the Balance section. Here, you will see the available balance that can be withdrawn. Click on the Withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw to your bank account. Verify that your bank account details are correctly entered in the settings. If necessary, update your bank account information before proceeding. Review any fees associated with the withdrawal. Confirm that you understand the fees and the amount that will be transferred. Once you are ready, click on the Confirm or Withdraw button. You will receive a notification confirming that your withdrawal is in process. Track the status of your withdrawal under the Payouts section in your dashboard. Typically, withdrawals to your bank account take 1 to 3 business days. Ensure you check your bank account after this period for the transferred funds. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help section for support options. Keep a record of your transactions for future reference. This completes the process of withdrawing funds from Stripe Connect to your bank. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.